MP Lok Sabha Natura Parliamentary Constituency Saleng A Sangma Lengba ka syuki lampang ka yang rabar thawain Lok Sabha ulakuntu yu menteri kampo yang dari India Amit Shah ban Pynthikna Sienjam ban Lakam ke Jingwanrung tu ki Bangladeshi Shah jala Meghalaya habashim mentah 0 hour notice khandai trek unaila ajab saw Saleng ulang bagi rong hinia Muslim daki lakmut ki krek Jingwanrung Shah jala ka thai North East ulang ban nakalong kaman Bangladesh ka chimpang krek warung tu ka Jurba kumta ka sokar India ka de ban Pynthikna Sienjam ban Lakam yak Jingwanrung tu ki Bangladeshi berpentip bahdu 4 kilometer ke jaga kaput Kimlong ki Blayada.
But right now, thousands and lakhs of illegal immigrants from Rohingya refugees, they're entering the state of Northeast. We've got 2,000 kilometers which is not even covered. So we need a preventive measures to be taken seriously by the by the central government, sir. We don't have a proper security right now in our state. So thousands of people are suffering right now. Yesterday itself, more than thousands of Bangladeshis, they tried to penetrate the Meghalaya through the border illegally, sir. So through you, Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to apprise the Union Minister from the Home Department, at least try to take the preventive measures right now.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya